Hello everyone, today we are going to stretch out those legs. In only 10 minutes we're going to work out our entire body, so hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Meet me on the mat in mountain pose. Reach your arms up towards the sky, bend into your elbows and bring those arms behind your back, interlacing your fingers. Pull your fingers down towards the mat as you hinge at the hips and fold forward, knuckles facing towards the ceiling. Now bend into your knees. Lengthen your knees. Continue to bend and lengthen as you breathe into this stretch. Release your hands and plant them onto the mat as you step your feet towards the end of the mat in downward facing dog. Kick your right leg up towards the ceiling. Bend into that knee, opening up your hips towards the right side of the room. Feel that stretch. Now step your right foot towards the front of the mat, in between your palms. Reach your left arm up towards the sky. Breathe here. Lengthen your front leg. Bend into your right knee again. As you lift your torso up, cartwheel your hands. Left arm is resting on the left leg as you reach your right arm overhead. Cartwheel your hands forward towards the mat. Send that right leg back into downward facing dog. This time, kick your left leg up towards the sky. Bend into that knee, opening up your hips towards the left side of the room. Breathe into that stretch. Step your left foot towards the front of the mat in between your palms. Reach your right arm up towards the sky, opening up your chest, and repeat on the other side. Lengthen your left leg. Bend into that knee. Cartwheel your hands back as your left arm reaches overhead. And cartwheel your hands back towards the front of the mat. Flip your left leg to face the long side of the mat and walk your hands towards the middle. Bend into your elbows. Walk your hands back towards your left leg. Breathe into that stretch. Now walk your hands towards your right leg. Reach your left arm up towards the sky, opening up your chest, and breathe here. Now bring your hand back to the mat to walk towards the left leg. Reach your right arm up towards the sky. Walk your hands back towards the center. Reach your left arm up towards the sky. Bring your palm back to the mat. Reach your right arm up towards the sky. Bring your palms back to the mat. And walk your feet closer together as we prepare for Malasana. Bend at the knees and bring your hips down towards the mat in a squat, palms together at your chest. And now make your way into seated. Feel free to roll your head around, stretching out your neck. Adjust your legs so they're comfortably seated. Place your right forearm on the mat beside your right thigh. As you reach your left arm over, feel that stretch in your left hip. You can feel free to bring your left hand towards the right side of the room, planting your palm for a deeper stretch. Breathe. And repeat on the other side. Plant your left forearm to the mat. Come back to seated. Hug yourself and gently shut your eyes. Allow your breath to slow down. As you bring your awareness to your body. Feel free to gently rub your chest. How does your palm feel against your skin. Palms together by your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for setting this time aside for yourself. And thank you everyone for joining me today. Much warmth and gratitude.